Google Analytics is hiding your website's AI search traffic. I'm Kate, I'm an SEO specialist, and I teach people SEO tips, tools, and methods to help their websites rank higher on Google, ChatGPT, and all the other AI search engines. Google does hold this data, but they just don't want to share it with us. There is a custom report that you can create in GA4 that will allow you to track all of your AI search traffic from any of the search engines that you want to focus on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Open up the Reports tab and then go to Library. From here, you're going to create a new detailed report. We're going to build this ourselves, so choose blank report. The first thing that we need to set is the dimensions. Session source is going to give you the website, so in this case that will be the AI search tool. And I also like to include landing pages because ultimately I want to see the pages that are attracting AI search traffic and how they're performing. For metrics, this is really specific to what you want to see. I typically will always look at sessions, new users, engaged sessions, and key events. Add any here that you find useful for your own analytics. Now that we've done this, you can see ChatGPT showing up on the left here, but there's a load of other websites that aren't even search engines, so we're going to get rid of those. For that, we need a report filter. The filter's dimension should be session source, and the match type should be matches regex. In the value is where you're going to put your AI search engines. I will typically always add ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Gemini, Perplexity. I'll leave these in the video's description for you to copy. Add more if there's any specific ones that you want to include in this list. Now, the session sources are exclusive to the AI search engines that we have put in the filter, but the real data that you're going to get from this report is switching over to landing pages. Once you're happy with all the metrics you're seeing in this table, save the report, and now we're going to put it somewhere that's going to make it really easy for you to access every time you're in Google Analytics. Click back to go to the main report screen and choose one of your collections. On the right hand column, you'll see all of the reports. Find your new report. You can see here that I actually already have an AI search traffic report. Let's pretend I don't. Drag the new one over. Now, when you go back to Google Analytics, go into reports, and here you can easily access your AI search traffic data along with all of your other usual Google Analytics reports. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my SEO tutorials, tips, and tools.